This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Crystal Growoski. Charming and one-of-a-kind home in sought-after Winter Park, offering a detached garage with a guest retreat to include a full bath. Sellers have just installed a brand new roof and new quartz kitchen counters. This home provides many other updated features. You will fall in love with the character of this home, from the leaded glass doors, glass doorknobs, and great living space with incredible natural lighting, 2 fireplaces and a plethora of French doors. With new ways of having work from home and school spaces needed, this home offers separate rooms for office, library, or schoolwork. Kitchen offers brick accent walls, stainless appliances, and wood cabinets with great storage space. Family room is welcoming with a wood-burning fireplace and views of the courtyard. Flex/bonus room on main floor for an extra media space, den, play area, or exercise room. Dual staircases lead you upstairs to your bedrooms, which are very nice sized, and room for desk or larger furniture. This home features a finished basement and wonderful storage spaces. Enjoy your traditional sized pool that has plenty of room for floating or play. Beautifully landscaped grounds and fenced-in yard. Utilize the guest space above the garage for work from home, game room, fitness, or media space. This home is located a short drive to Adventhealth Winter Park, Park Avenue, Rollins College, boutique shopping, fine dining and entertainment. Work downtown? Less than a 15-minute drive away. Buy with peace of mind, with a 1-year home warranty being offered to the buyer through American Home Shield. Call today for your private tour of this amazing oasis. For more information, review the details below or contact Crystal Growoski at 407-462-7736.